What's happening, people? How are ya? What's going on? So today it's an unboxing video with the majority of the parts I need for my car to be working in normal order, let's just say. Got all the goodies here. Shout out to Tegiwa. Oh, we're upside down. Tegiwa. Tap service parts. Good friend of mine from Scotland, as you can tell here. This I'll keep it till the end. And Halfords. One thing missing from Halfords, I've got to go collect them somewhere else. But yeah. Oh, and also there's a website called onbuy.com. Decent stuff on there. Let's get straight to it now. Let's open the box. So, first one is this. Have a look. Genuine. So yeah, here we go. One and only Shell engine oil. You know we need this. Yeah. To be fair, I like the way it's packed. Done. 5W40, fully synthetic. You don't know how much I paid for it? You really don't know. So why do you normally pay about 40-50 quid for 105 litres? I paid $29.99. That's a bargain. Oh. Shell, shout out to you. You know what to do and get at me. But yeah, man, $29.99. People are paying 50 quid. I ain't complaining. Alhamdulillah. Good buy, to be honest. I needed it anyway, so yeah, I'll put that here. Right, you got the Shell. There we go, done. There you are. One thing with these guys, easy to talk to, easy response, help you out. And to be honest, one thing I'd recommend is if you do order from these guys, make sure, if you're in a rush, make sure everything is in stock. It does tell you below every item. I didn't check that and I was like, where's my stuff? But then I realised. But yeah, let's get into this one. Oh, brilliant. There's a lot of safety first, isn't it? Oh, that's going to cause a bit of a... But yeah, take this out. And some more. Okay, here we go then. First one. OEM. Yeah, there we go. Honda oil filter. That dust. But yeah, genuine Honda oil filter. Definitely needed. Small, slick. Yeah, man. I think for like things like this, little filters and that, just go OEM. Do you know what I mean? Air filters, obviously that's different because you want the little the noise and that, don't you? But yeah, man, genuine Honda OEM oil filter. Cost me like, I think 10 quid. MTF3, again, Honda's genuine gearbox oil. Recommended 2 litres, but not one, we need 2 because we are going to go for a major service. Because you gotta remember, so my car, I've been on 150,000 miles, 152, let's just say. It runs like a dream, I can't complain. But every car I've had, I'm sure a lot of you will do that anyway. Valve cleaner, not valve cleaner, sorry. Get it serviced. Valve clearance is another thing, we'll get into that later. But a major service that I always recommend it. especially with cars like this, because you can't drive this normal VTEC, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's one of them ones. And then the one and only, are you ready? Hopefully they'll help me pop big flames. And no, I'm not putting a flame kit on, do you know what I mean? NGK Laser Iridium Premium Spark Plugs. Should we get them out of the box? You know, first thing about these, yeah, I gotta say, I went on to Euro car parts. I'm not outing anyone, I'm just saying, yeah, for like, you know, trying to help you guys out there if you need to get these spark plugs, especially these ones. So Euro car parts, I think they wanted £92 for 4. Who else? GSF, they wanted 89. And then guess how much I got these for? Again, this is all from Tegiwa. Gearbox oil, oil filter, spark plugs, £55, you know. Top shit as well, not so, you know, random dead ones. Laser Iridium. And for you Honda people, I put, here's the code there, if that helps, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's the code. Let's just have a look. But yeah, 55 quid. That's a very good deal. Oh, I'm so gassed now. So Luke, let's have a look. Look at that. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. Real shit right there, mate. So yeah, here we are. NGK Laser Iridium. What are they called? 1R on here, yeah. But I'll show you the box. You know what to do if you need to get them. I'd say hit up Tegiwa for these stuff. I'm not even, you know, not faffing about. And I'm not just giving them free promotion. I'm saying it because, you know, I got a good deal. So try to help you out, you get me? £55 for these 4 spark plugs. Whereas the usual Euro GSF, blah, blah, blah. £80 plus. So, how much I say? 30 quid? Oh, I can't complain. So, spark plugs. Bam. Gearbox oil. Bam. Yeah, I know that dust from the box here. And Honda OEM oil filter. So yeah, and the Shell engine oil. Put these to the side for now. Made a mess on the table. Brilliant. Oh, what else in there? Take you out looking after me, man. Too many stickers. There we go. Bam. 1. And then, right. Oh, 2. Brilliant. So you know, you order from like performance partners, you try and get performance parts and stuff like that. Or, you know, people yourself. Take it what? Smashing it, you know, keep it up. Stuck for a lot, man. Send me haram sweets. Take it what, you know, us brothers in Birmingham, the up in it, all over the UK. Don't send us these out, man. Come on. No good. So yeah, they can go back in the box. Oil, engine oil, gearbox oil, oil filter, and what else? Spark plugs. Here it goes in front of. Oh wait, let's get these on the plate first. There we are, mate. Hajid. Do they really need an explanation? Brake pads, front ones. Well, I'll go for Pagid. Money saving, to be honest. I don't drive the car as much as I'd like to. Plus in the rain, no. But yeah, anyway. My car already, it's got PBS discs and pads. Front ones were already on the way. Discs, oh my god, the car screams. Front disc and pad on these Type R's, but as soon as you're braking, screaming. But now I've got padded ones. I'll be honest, need to save some money, you know, to get bigger performance parts. But yeah, padded brake pads. I think I paid 20 quid. Yeah, about 20 quid from Halfords. Yeah, just been delivered actually. So yeah, I think I was giving you the prices. So £10 for this. You know what, I'll do that at the end. But yeah, padded disc pads. Discs I've got to go collect because Halfords had a sale for like 20 quid a pair or something like something stupid like that. I missed out on it, so I've got to go collect them. And I was looking online, I was getting them for like £70–80 a piece. But a very good brother of mine, who's Civic, I will try and get onto the channel. He's got a big Civic network or whatever, however you want to call it. Guess what? £60 a pair for discs. So I've got to go collect them. So yeah, get them. Got the pads. Only front ones for now because the back's fine. So yeah, got that. What else? This is from. Let me open it up first. No, I've had this in the house for what? 3 weeks, nearly a month, and still nothing. If you saw my previous video, you saw Uncle checking out when I said Uncle check the oil leak when he ragged my car as well. And he goes, basically, nephew, you got an oil leak. And I go, I know that, but where is it? So there's, I mean, no brainer for him. He's just going to check, bang. He goes, there you go, rocker cover gasket. Alhamdulillah, I'm glad it's nothing else, because if it wasn't anything else, it would have been worth swapping the ST for this. But you know what, alhamdulillah, man. This car, I mean, for people that know me, Jap cars are like, I breathe them, they're just amazing. So, I got a rocker cover gasket with spark plug seals. And I think, if I can remember, what was it? What was he doing? There's the rocker cover gasket. Seal. And we got all the spark plug seals. And wherever these are. Yes, I'm a bit of a novice in searching it. You know, I don't even know the name, but I know where they go. But yeah, it's for the rocker cover gasket. Yeah, we get to this. Done. Done. So that's all the main parts for now to keep the car running smooth and get it running smooth. I'm also going to get valve clearance done. I didn't know about this until one of the brothers said to me, basically it's the tappets that just need to be adjusted, because when you keep hitting VTEC they start opening up and loosening, and you know me, can't help it, can I? And last but not least, so this is a very special thing. So I went to Scotland a few months back and I bought a car from this brother and kept in touch. And what this brother does is stickers for anything, you know, usual stickers, cars, printing, whatever, signage. Based up in Scotland. But what I'll do, I'll put his contact details, Facebook, Instagram. I don't think he's got Instagram actually, but I think he just got Facebook. And yeah, give him a big shout out. Matt, thank you very much for this stuff. Really appreciate it. Funny enough, you might be thinking, why have I got a SEAT badge? I had an accident not long ago in my work car, and it was a SEAT. Writ off now. So yeah, that's just in memory of the SEAT. He's literally sent me all these little goodies because I don't really need these ones. I didn't ask for these, but just you know, a little gift from him. Bless him. So I appreciate that. Instagram handle tags. Why? I'll show you all the stickers. These are just extras. So then we got all these little bits and bobs on. Everyone knows about Stushy. There we are. What else? Another random one. Any more? Okay. Yeah, no brainer, you're watching it on here. There we go. So these are the main ones now. Are we ready? There we are. I don't know if we can get that in. Does that help? Yeah. Top one for the back window of the Type R, and the bottom side ones, well, the bottom two are going up to the side of the back windows. What do you reckon? You can't really tell because I can't take the top off yet. So you know. Yeah, I can't really take the top off yet, so I can't peel them off. But the colour is basically, it's like a glittery neon green. So I need to get my back window tint re-tinted. I need to do it again because the previous job it looked absolutely diabolical, like it was a joke. But there we go. That's I'm gassed about this. Matt, honestly, appreciate you. Genuinely appreciate you, brother. Thank you for this. Yeah. This is what we've got. So let's do a recap. Engine oil, onbuy.com. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put all the links for this, for everything what I bought. I'll put the links in the description, and obviously on the video you'll see them pop up anyway. Yeah, onbuy.com, $29.99. You know what I mean? I'm not advertising. I'm just, you know, I'm trying to help you. A brother out or help a sister out. You know what I mean? So yeah, Shell, $29.99. Honda genuine gearbox oil, 4 litres is what you need when you go to service at EP3. The gearbox anyway, full change. I think that was £18 a mile, something like that. Yeah, well, I'm sure it was 36 quid. £10 original OEM oil filter Honda, as you can see. Boom. What else? Jack service parts, rocker cover gasket with spark plug seals, 20 quid if that. Can't complain, do you know what I mean? That's the, I think I'm missing something, aren't I? Oh yeah, again, sorry, let's go back to Teguar. Spark plugs, £55. I don't care what you say, best place to get them from. Cheapest ones I found anyway. And the same thing as the ones the Euros do and GSF. But Teguar, thank you very much, appreciate you, brothers. There we go, spark plug. There we go, and where did I put the brake pads? Brilliant. Oh, here we are. There you go. Padded brake pads. Yeah, these were £20 and a few pennies over. Had them ordered them the other night, delivered today. Took about a day and a half. There we go, done. Discs I gotta go collect. So yeah, and what else? Stickers done. I think that's it for now. Yeah, so here we are. This is what's happening next. I'll try filming the garage if I can. Can I just recap? I've just saw the bottles. It's a litre, 2 litres you need to, not 4 litres. Listen, my bad. But yeah, 2 litres of gearbox oil, not 1 litre each. And here we are. Exciting times, genuinely exciting times. I know to a lot of people are like, nah, what's he doing? It's a service, I know, but this car's gonna be running a lot smoother, cleaner, and we'll be stopping a lot sooner as well. Inshallah. But yeah, people, I appreciate you keep supporting my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, man, thank you very much. May Allah bless you all. Allah Hafiz, peace, safe.